In this video, we are troubleshooting a major engine issue. First, we tore down the engine blocks to inspect the damage. Right after that, we checked the main pulley. And guess what? It is completely jammed. Watch how we fix this seized engine. Next, we removed the timing cover plate of this Suzuki Mehran to inspect the setup. Now you can clearly see the engine timing alignment and find out exactly what caused the pulley to seize up. To get to the root of the problem, we completely removed the cylinder head, which you can see right here on the floor. Right now, we are thoroughly inspecting the head gasket and seals to locate the exact cause of the failure. Now, we put a bolt on the crank and are trying to manually turn the engine over using a breaker bar to test it. But take a look at this. Cylinder number 1 is completely seized, which is why the whole engine is locked up. And right here on the floor, we have the blown head gasket. Looking closely at its condition, you can clearly see it's completely damaged, which is exactly what led to the failure in cylinder number 1. Now we have completely disassembled the remaining engine parts. Right here on the floor, you can see the oil pump, the flywheel and the pistons. Alongside them is the main engine block. With everything laid out, we are now doing a final inspection of all these core components. Next, we are performing a detailed check on the piston ring end gap to determine the exact cause of the compression loss. Over time, due to heavy wear or overheating, these rings wear down, causing the gap to expand way past its standard limit. As we place the ring inside the cylinder bore, you can clearly see just how excessive and out of spec this clearance has become. This wide gap is the main culprit behind the engine blowing by. Losing power and burning oil. We are using a feeler gauge here to measure the exact clearance. Ensuring we get the perfect tolerances when we install the brand new ring set. And for the final step, we are inspecting the cylinder head valves to check their seating and ensure there are no leaks. If you found this teardown helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more technical guides.